with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17.50 an hour, and we got our first order. This is going to be for Black Rock Coffee, going just under 5 miles. Morning.
Right there, Fred.
Thank you.
Of course.
Already on time. I like it. Pretty good start so far. What do we got? Just a leave at door. Easy peasy. This is how we're starting today off, huh? 0 tip. Total ended up being $6 and change for that one, by the way. Very much not worth it. And we got the next order. This is going to be for Starbucks, going just under 4 miles. Thank you. Oh, look at that. They tipped, and the total ended up being $8. Funny how that works. Next order up, we've got a Joe Brown's Cafe. This one's going 8 miles. Pretty high mileage, but it's got a few items in the order, so maybe a good tip. We'll see. I don't even know if this place is open, to be honest. So many roads are closed right next to it. Thank you. God damn. $15 tip. That order was like $22. I'll take it. Thank you very much. And we got the next order right away. This is probably going to be a bad one because it's Wendy's, going 6.5 miles. Oh, of course it's upstairs. 7. Is it upstairs? No, it's not. Total ended up being $9. Not bad, actually. Next up, we've got an order for Donut Nook. It is going 6 miles. Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
Total ended up being $9 and change. And we got the next order right away. This is going to be for Nectar Juice Bar, going 3 miles. Thank you. You too. Zero tip, by the way. Kind of had that feeling, to be honest. People who order from Nectar don't usually tip very much, and I've noticed that this apartment complex also doesn't tip very well. So 2 plus 2 equals 0. Total ended up being $5 for that. So garbage. Next order up, we've got an IHOP. This is going 6.5 miles.
Should be on this.
That wait was kind of gross, but whatever. Total ended up being $12 for that. I don't know if that was worth it because that kind of took forever. Next up, we've got an order for a place called Taqueria El Rinconcito. Yes, I said it the most whitewashed way possible on purpose. Totally not, because my Spanish is super rusty. Hopefully it's not ready because I want to use the restroom, and I also want to show you something inside the restroom. And no, it's not my worm. Total for that ended up being $11, so pretty good order. And we got the next one right away. It's gonna be for Black Rock Coffee, going 2.5 miles. Okay, cool. They're giving me an add-on for Victor Rico's, which is right across the parking lot from the coffee. And we're going an additional 4 miles. Pretty low tips on both of those. Total ended up being $12. And we got the next one right away. This is for Muchas Gracias, going 5 miles. Bro, this customer has messaged me 3 times since I got this order 2 minutes ago.
Sorry about the wait.
Thank you. You too. Bro, if you message me one more time, what do you want? I also added a tip as I realized I ordered from the wrong restaurant. Okay, I'll take that. We're on good terms again. Wait, does that mean you didn't tip beforehand? Nah, I don't like you. And it's a hand to customer. Ooh, baby. And of course, it's upstairs. Total ended up being $9 and some change. Just got the next order. This is for Jack in the Box, going 2.5 miles. I don't see this one having a tip. I don't know why I got that feeling, but I would love to be surprised. And I was proven wrong. Total ended up being $9 for that one, which is pretty good considering the distance and the time it took. Just got the next order. This is gonna be for Krispy Kreme, going just under 6 miles. Thank you. Horrible tip. Total ended up being $7. All right, we're gonna go ahead and call it here. Current time is 11:15. Total, we are at 121. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.